good morning everyone. Introduce my name Gabriela Elena. I'm from University Muhammadiyah Palangkaraya. I want to explain material about for my semester exam assignment. Pengertian skimming. Skimming is a reading technique by scanning to find the main idea or outline of the whole reading. So, when reading using this technique, it will be easier for you to get an idea of what the contents of the text you are reading are. Another understanding of skimming reading to get information from what we read. Skimming is done to do a quick reading in general in a reading material. In skimming, the reading process is carried out by jumping up and down by looking at the main idea from a text. To find out whether an article matches what are looking for to assess the article, whether it is interesting to read further in detail. Skimming read speed is usually about 3-4 times faster than normal reading. Skimming merupakan teknik membaca dengan memindai untuk menemukan gagasan utama atau garis besar dari keseluruhan bacaan. Jadi saat membaca menggunakan teknik ini, kalian akan lebih mudah mendapatkan gambaran mengenai apa isi bacaan yang sedang kalian baca. Berikut saya akan memaparkan bagian-bagian penting dari membaca skimming, yaitu important parts of skimming. Here the important parts to the consider when skimming. Read the cover of a book, which usually explain the main idea of a book and why it is important to read. Many people are lazy to read the introduction because it is considered pleasantries. That is wrong. The introduction is often very important because the author usually explains the process of writing the book from start to finish and the approach he used. Read the table of contents. Yes, many people also skip this section and jump straight to the first chapter. Remember, the table of contents gives an overview of the structure of the discussion is the book. This will help you master reading material in a correct and complete context. Greater energy can later be focused on new information that you really need to master from the reading material. Read the chapter titles, subtitles, and headings. Observe diagrams, picture, and additional description. Quickly reading each page in just 1-2 seconds. Headings. Read the chapter title, subtitle, headings, and briefly observe the picture or diagram that explain the chapter. Get the main idea only from the title. Remember, you have also mastered the structure of writing when used to the table of the content beforehand. Berikut saya akan memaparkan langkah-langkah dalam membaca skimming. Skimming step to read skimming. Yang pertama, make a question about what we are going to look for from a book. Yang kedua, go through the table of contents or review whether the information we need is there. Yang ketiga, with great attention, go through at high speed each paragraph or subchapter that you encounter. Yang keempat, stop when you feel you have found what you are looking for. Dan yang kelima, read at a normal speed and understand well what you are looking for. Apa sih kegunaan dalam teknik membaca skimming? Skimming berguna untuk mendapatkan gambaran umum suatu bahan bacaan. Maka perlu koordinasi yang baik ketika melakukan skimming dengan otak yang aktif bertanya, menganalisa, membandingkan, serta membuat kesimpulan. Oleh karena itu, jangan dianggap skimming seperti membaca sambil lalu. Sebaliknya, dibutuhkan proses membaca aktif di mana semua indera yang terlibat bekerja, mulai dari mata dan otak. Bagaimana cara kerjanya? Banyak orang berpikir bahwa skimming adalah proses serampangan menempatkan mata dimanapun mereka jatuh. Namun untuk cara ini sangat efektif. Kita akan struktur atau tidak membaca semuanya. Apa yang Anda baca adalah lebih penting daripada yang Anda lewatkan. Itu poin utama dari teknik ini. Don't so and thank you. See you guys.